Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background noise from your audio within your edits on KineMaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the KineMaster application, you will be able to start a new project or open up any of your old ones right away. After proceeding with either one of these options, you will end up within this page from which you can directly import your projects into your timeline and start working on your video. Now, you may add audio by various different methods onto your edit. You can use the audio tab and import music, and you can also record your voiceovers by using the microphone option. Now, if you have recorded an audio, but you find that it has a lot of background noise and you would like to reduce this, just tap on this audio and now you will see the noise remover option. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Get Plugin. This will now show you the noise remover plugin, which you can just tap on the download button to get. Once this plugin is installed, you can tap on this button once again, and this will now begin to process the noise remover and apply it to your audio right away. Once this process is completed, you can listen to your audio once again, and you will notice that the background audio has been removed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove background audio or noise from your videos on the KineMaster editing application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.